Hi to all my friends. Let's talk today about very interesting phenomenon about price of quality things. And as an example, this drill kit from Flex Tool brand.
And let's do something unusual in this review. And first try this screwdriver in action and name the price only later. And you please try to guess during the test and review how much it actually costs. Let's unpack it, and in a nice box we will find the bag, the brushless, cordless 24 volts 2-speed drill driver, two 2.5 amps batteries with this fun 2-side indicator, and this fast, really fast 160 watt charger. No questions for ergonomic, this drill is pretty well balanced and comfortable in your hand, but maybe a little bit heavy comparing to DeWalt, but it's okay. Materials are good too, comparing with Hercules, for example, they are perfect. Okay, let's finally do some testing. Drill chuck is full metal and made by Jacobs. Let's start with this big screw and we will see how it's handled. That's good, no problem at all. Okay, let's try to create this problem with this big wood arced drill. It is difficult. It is hard for this drill, but it still holds. Okay, it's almost done. And finally this Forstner drill bit. It's doing pretty well. I did not feel the same power reserve like in DeWalt or Milwaukee cord drills, but it's still pretty good. I can't say that I'm impressed. Why? Because of the price for this kit with 2 batteries. Try to guess this price. $99. Yep, link in the description and in the first comment. Please subscribe, share this video and hit the like button if you like what I am doing. Thank you for your time.